I thought it would be fun to take my youngest daughter to make some custom perfume in New Orleans, so we visited Tijon. I think she enjoyed the process. She's a very indecisive one. If you guys thought I was indecisive, she's got me beat. We were able to make 3 versions of a fragrance, and we ended up leaving with the one that we liked the most. The best part is, these fragrances are stored online on file, so you can place future orders.
You know your sense of smell is the most important in remembering something like grandmother's house or a first date. So when you smell your fragrance, you'll remember your fun time here in New Orleans and at Tijon. And as we say in French, to your health, santé.
Santé. And we ended our 4th of July on the rooftop of our hotel. All right, guys, thanks for watching.